Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have our 2008 Toyota Camry with the 2.4 hybrid car. So this is the headlight assembly. We've got it pulled for ease of access to see the light bulbs. So this is a high beam, and then we've got the low beam. So we're going to go ahead and replace the low beam headlight at this time. And so the low beam, and these are, it's from the back, so it would be the same on the front, high, low. Right? So we're going to unclip the electrical connector here by pulling it, pushing the tab in, pulling it back. And then we're just going to twist this a quarter turn to the left or counterclockwise. And then you'll be able to remove the light out. So this is our old light. And we would remove this light, and this light here is an H11 or an H11, and that's what you would get to be replacing that. So we've got our new H11 to put back in, or to put in there. We do our best not to touch the element with our bare hands. The oils on your fingers will shorten the life of your light bulb. Same thing as with the other one, you have smaller and larger tabs, and you'll just line them up with this, with where they go, and then that way they'll slide into place. So at about a 45 one way, and then you'll be able to turn that 45 to the right, being clockwise, and then just take the electrical connector and connect that one up. So that's how you replace your low beam headlight, daytime running light on your 2008 Toyota Camry. These two can be replaced by you being able to reach your hands in here with it still attached, but when you get to the blinker and the clearance light or side marker light, you're going to need to remove this unit, or at least pull it out like this. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.